I'm a nutritional biochemist by trade and have worked for 25 years in the pharmaceutical industry, and now I'm a self-made process engineer. As a technical consultant, I was formulating dietary supplements, and a lot of my customers were asking me to manufacture these products for them. The opportunity came up to lease the old derelict buildings at the Harton's Meatworks plant. It used to have a slaughterhouse, a meat processing plant, and a chilled warehouse. The site was the exact opposite of what I needed for a hygienic pharmaceutical factory. There's lots of clean rooms in New Zealand, but not many built to the pharmaceutical standards. So the knowledge I brought to it was applying the local knowledge and building clean room facilities, but to an international pharmaceutical standard. Well, the first step in designing the factory was looking at how we could fit into the existing structure a floor plan that would work with the flow of products efficiently through a factory, and then designing the finishes, the walls, the floors, all of the surface finishes are critical to achieving GMP standard. The facility is designed as little cubicles, so each process is in a separate room and each room has its own cleaning validation. The heart of the factory is the air conditioning system. This is designed to Class 8 air quality standard, and a key factor is the pressure regime to avoid cross-contamination of product dust from one room to another. The design of that is critical to operate properly in a pharmaceutical environment. So this engineering project has resulted in the GMP pharmaceutical certification that has really opened the doors to the world market for PharmaNZ.